Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Divide 20 days into targeted blocks with 2-hour sessions for each subject, allocating heavier time to weak topics. Start with a diagnostic test to identify the top 5 priorities and set daily micro-goals that fit into 50-minute focused blocks with 10-minute breaks using a timer. Balance active review, practice problems, and summary notes so each subject gets at least one deep session every 4 days. And reserve the last 3 days for consolidation and full practice exam. Use Pomodoro-style 50/10 blocks to maximize focus and retention, targeting 2 to 4 blocks per study session. Practice retrieval with 30-minute closed book quizzes and timed practice tests that mimic exam conditions to build speed and accuracy. Use spaced repetition. Review flashcards at increasing intervals over 20 days, mark items by difficulty, and schedule extra review for anything missed more than twice. Alternate problem solving with quick concept summaries, and teach one topic aloud for 5 minutes to cement understanding. Do one final pass of high-yield notes and formulas the night before the exam, focusing on core concepts and common problem types without learning new material. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep and a light 20-minute review in the morning consisting of key formulas, mnemonic cues, and 2 quick practice problems. Arrive 30 minutes early with supplies, a water bottle, and a confidence checklist. Use deep breaths and positive self-talk to convert preparation into calm performance on test day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.